Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on another epoxy injection project. Got our ports installed. I've been taking before and now some during, and I'll take some after videos of this project. Got about 400 more of these ports to inject. This tunnel here. Going good so far. Been doing these epoxy injection jobs for about 20 years. Slowest process. It's just watching those bubbles go through. Can't just snap these on here and squeeze it in and think you're gonna fill all these ports and it's fine. They gotta be filled perfectly with the exact amount of pressure. You blow one of those ports off, you're gonna have all your epoxy down here in a pile. I'm just showing how slow. There's a bubble there on this guy. It's right there. It might take half an hour for that bubble to reach here to here. But as long as it's moving, this one right here, you just want to let it inject nice and slow. Jade Alpine, you do structural repair, epoxy injection. I'm your man. Check us out, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link, and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of my other projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.